Hello everybody, this is Dr. Nitin Prabhudesai from Pune. In this COVID times, we are all bothered about the spread of infection from one patient to other and from patients to the health workers and doctors and their staff. So, in case of Daytona also, we had this concern because as you know, when we examine the patient with this machine, the patient comes quite close to the machine and hence the transmission of infection is a possibility. Hence, to avoid this from happening, we have taken some simple steps and will be demonstrating how to use this machine even in COVID times. Is this portion of Daytona which gets exposed to the patient's face, and also these handles where the patient is supposed to hold. So what we have done is we are using a cling film. We'll show you how to use it. The important thing is that it should be nicely stretched across so it doesn't cause any artifacts, and if we just roll it across tightly, and the width of the cling film is such that it covers most of the area which comes in the contact with the patient's face. So the other concern was whether through this we would be able to get good pictures. So we'll just demonstrate to you what is the quality of pictures we get with the film in place. Now one more thing which we have done for these COVID times is that we are giving these type of gowns to the patient. The advantage of this is that the patient's hands are covered, and through the gown, which are quite loose, he can still hold this machine without any problem. So that prevents from the patient touching the machine with his bare hands. Now this is the picture we have just got of this patient who has grade 1 nuclear sclerosis, and through the cling film you can see that the quality of picture is not affected to any great extent. You can still see all the structures very well, and the color pattern is also well. So I think this is quite an useful option, and it will not hinder the quality of images you get, and at the same time protect the machine from being getting troubled with the fomites, as well as there is no need of cleaning the machine each and every time once the patient is examined. These cling films can be removed as soon as the patient's test is over, and they are fairly cheap and easily available. So I think this is a good option which we can use in this COVID time. Now as you can see, we have captured this image through the cling film. Now the other advantage of Daytona in this COVID times is that you can take these images without dilating the pupils. So the patient's waiting time in the hospital or the clinic is quite less, so the problem of social distancing doesn't arise. At the same time, this being an ultra wide field image, you can get all the details you require to examine the retina. So in these times we are not compromising on the quality of examination also. So quicker examination, less patient time in the clinic, all these are possible because of this fantastic machine which gives us a very ultra wide field of the retina. Thank you.